A creeper pencil case, a zombie lunchbox, Ocelot backpack. It's back to school Minecraft edition. Let's go! Today we will show you how to make a Minecraft zombie lunchbox for our hungry Minecraft fans. You will need a ruler, a pencil, Artistro acrylic paint pens. Measure the lunchbox according to our scheme. Start painting the zombie. Find the color scheme in the description below. Let the paint dry for 15 minutes before applying the next layer. You can seal the lunchbox or leave it like that. Now, prepare for the zombie attack. Just kidding, prepare your lunch. Next, we are going to make this awesome creeper pencil case design. Find detailed instructions on how to make the box from the cardboard in the description below. So here's what you'll need: green cardboard paper, a ruler, scissors, double-sided tape, Velcro tape, Artistro acrylic paint pens. Now all the hard work is done, and the pencil case is ready to be painted. Use a ruler to create a perfect pattern. It's all about blocks. Then again, split the squares in half. Let's add some colors with Artistro acrylic paint pens. Check the link in the description to purchase the paint pens. Try the paint pens on paper before applying them to your project. If the paint pens are not primed, please watch our video on how to activate them. Outline your creeper using the blocks you drew. Use black medium tip markers to fill the larger areas. It's less messy to paint with markers, agree? Grab yellow and darker green paint pens to paint the rest of the blocks. Here's what your creeper pencil case should look like when it's all done. How do you like it? Let us know in the comments. Now we are ready to move on to the Ocelot backpack. You will need Artistro acrylic paint pens, a pencil, scissors, and prepared Ocelot color scheme. You can find the link to download the color scheme in the description below. Print the color scheme or draw it yourself in the size you need. Cut the pieces according to our tutorial and use them as an outline. To create a more vivid design, paint 2 layers. Wait for the paint to dry completely before applying the next layer or block. You can use a hairdryer to quicken the process. Add some extra Ocelot patterns. How awesome is this? Here are all the Minecraft school supplies. As you can see, they are super easy to make. Make your back to school more exciting with these cute Minecraft school supplies. Have a great school year ahead, and don't forget to make your days more creative with Artistro.